Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon Kindle Scribe. First, let's get acquainted with the device. Your Scribe boasts a generous 10.2-inch glare-free display, offering a crisp 300 pixels per inch for comfortable reading. It includes a premium pen that magnetically attaches to the side and never requires charging, making it always ready for use. You can also personalize your viewing by adjusting the warm light, font sizes, and line spacing to suit your preferences. The Kindle Scribe truly shines when you're reading. With active canvas, you can write directly on a book pages, and the text intelligently reflows around your notes. For quick thoughts, add sticky notes, choosing between handwritten input or the on-screen keyboard. The premium pen offers 3 tools: a pen, highlighter, and eraser, each with 5 distinct thickness options. This allows for precise and versatile annotation, making your reading experience more interactive and personal. Beyond reading, the Scribe is a powerful tool for writing. You can create dedicated notebooks, journals, and lists, choosing from 18 diverse templates like lined paper or checklists. Keep your thoughts organized by arranging notebooks into folders and easily find specific entries by searching their titles. For a polished look, an artificial intelligence-powered feature can convert your handwritten notes into a clean, legible script font, enhancing readability and shareability. The Kindle Scribe also makes managing your documents simple. Easily import various file types, including PDFs and Microsoft Word documents, using the convenient Send to Kindle feature. When you're ready to share, you can export individual pages or entire notebooks as PDF files directly via email. Plus, a generative artificial intelligence feature allows you to summarize up to 15 notebook pages into clear, concise bullet points, perfect for quick reviews or sharing key takeaways.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.